Before we start, I want to wish everyone a very happy new year and best wishes for 2022. As we have all shared in the struggles of the past couple years, I hope we can optimistically look forward to a great year ahead. For FingerMotion, we had quite the start. As you have undoubtedly heard, FingerMotion was uplisted to the Nasdaq Capital Markets exchange at the start of this year. This uplisting has been one of our goals since I joined in 2018, when we first started putting our corporate governance initiatives in place. And even though the process was arduous, it was clearly well worth it. A task of this magnitude could not be accomplished without a team of men and women, each with boundless energy and integrity, focused on a common goal. I want to firstly thank our management team, our CFO, Yuhan, and Senior VP, Li, for their enormous contributions. But also to all of our employees, our team of external advisors, our auditors and securities counsel, that kept the process moving forward and never lost sight of the task at hand. There's no doubt that a company such as ours, with operations in China, encountered a considerable amount of scrutiny during the uplisting process. We were confident that our solid infrastructure, sound financial position, and consistent reporting track record would hold up under heavy scrutiny. But it was our cooperative nature and transparent disclosures regarding our internal operations that soothed our examiners' concerns. Ultimately, our uplisting package was so strong that we leapfrogged a number of our consultants' existing clients in obtaining our final approval. So as great as this accomplishment was, we have to continually ask ourselves, what's next? As I've often mentioned, we must build a strong foundation for the company to succeed. And part of that foundation includes the support of our many shareholders. In listening to these shareholders, we received some queries regarding our revenue streams, how it is generated, and what to expect in the upcoming months and years. So let's begin there. Firstly, for our top-up business. We're all used to cell phone plans typically paid for in advance, accompanied with unlimited minutes. In China, the phones are prepaid phones, which means they need to be recharged once they run out of minutes. This process of recharging is called topping up. FingerMotion receives revenue by acting as an intermediary or broker, as our proprietary open source platform allows all the e-commerce companies to connect their users to the phone companies. Consequently, all the top companies, and more importantly, their users, utilize our platform, including Alibaba's Tmall, Pinduoduo, and JD.com. For our SMS division, we act more like a wholesaler, providing access to discounted bundles of SMS for our corporate partners to distribute to their customers. The reliability of our platform and the efficiency of our governmental review process has made this sector our highest revenue generator to date, and combined with our top-up division, generated almost $6 million in revenue in the most recent quarter. We have also recently launched 2 new brands in cooperation with a top 5 insurance company, which will offer device protection plans to telco users, and we expect solid revenues from this endeavor, as this space is still in its relative infancy in the Chinese marketplace. Along with developments in RCS, or Rich Communication Services, which will take advantage of the already well-established 5G infrastructure in China, our future growth in telecommunication products and services sector could prove quite robust. Now, as for our big data side, the developments are significant and substantial. Unfortunately, our cooperative efforts with both PacLife Re and Munich Re are not necessarily visible to the public, but rest assured, our team at Sapientis and the research labs have been working closely with these insurance partners to develop products that will benefit both companies. We understand that often business developments, particularly with large companies like our telecom and insurance partners, take time to mature and form properly. We're all eager to take the next step when we think our true revenue potential will come to fruition. But until then, our team will continue to remain patient and work hard, and we hope to announce our first true steps into the insurtech space in the near future. So with all that, we certainly have lots to look forward to in the upcoming year. With our Nasdaq listing, we are more visible, more accessible, and more reliable. The inherent integrity the listing provides will afford us the opportunity of approaching new investors, both institutional and retail, who are looking for an introduction into China without the risks that investments in such securities have previously provided. We hope all of you will come along for the ride. We thank you again for your continued support, and I hope to see you soon.